Good afternoon, boys and girls. This afternoon we're going to be working with expanded notation. So when we write our number 154,798, I'm going to write this number in expanded notation. So what I need to do is I start in the greatest place, which is, if I start here, I go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So I know that that 1 is in the 100,000s place. So as I start to write my number, I draw my parentheses, and I draw 1 times 100,000. And then I put plus. Then I go to the next digit, and I go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So I draw my parentheses again, and I know that I have 5 groups of 10,000. Then I put my plus sign, and I move to the next digit, and I go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. I'm going to write below, so I have 4 groups of 1,000. And I close my parentheses, plus sign. Then I move to the next digit. I go ones, tens, hundreds. So I know that I have 7 groups of 100. And then I go to the next digit. I know that this is the ones, the tens. So I have 9 groups of 10 plus my last place, which is the ones, and I have 8 groups of 1. So this is how you would write 154,798 in expanded notation. Another example. 51,429. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start in the greatest place first. I go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So I know I have 5 groups of 10,000. Plus, I go to the next digit, and I know this is in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So I know I have 1 group of 1,000. Plus, I go to my next digit, ones, tens, hundreds place. So I have 4 groups of 100. Plus my next place, ones, tens. I have 2 groups of 10. Plus my last place, which is my ones place, and I have 9 groups of 1. So boys and girls, this is how you can write a number using expanded notation. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.